Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a passport size photo. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software, then go to File menu, then click on the Open or hold press Ctrl or Command O to open your image. Here I select this image, then click on the Open. At first we need to do remove the skin spot, so just right click on this tool, spot healing brush tool, and select this spot healing brush tool, and firstly remove your skin all spot. After remove all skin spots, then we need to do retouch this skin. So I will show you how to quick retouch skin. Select this background layer and right click of the mouse, then click on the duplicate layer, click on the OK, and now minimize your Photoshop software, and you can see here Shazim Creations magic brush set. I will provide this brush set in this video description box, so download this magic brush set and use this brush set. So double click on the brush set to open and select this smudge tool, right click this tool and select this smudge tool, and right click anywhere of the mouse, and you can see here below of the brush set, this is Shazim Creations magic brush set. Expand this brush set and you can see here three brush. Select this first brush to smooth skin, strength select 15%, and easily you can retouch your skin. This is a quick retouch, strength 20%. This is quick retouch brush set brush. So I provide for everyone this quick retouch brush. You will retouch as your preferences, and until fully completed the retouching. Okay, face retouching is complete. Then we need to do crop this image area. So select this pen tool, right click, then select the pen tool and select your image area by pen tool. Okay, after selecting the image area, then right click, then click on the make selection, click on the OK, feather radius 0 pixels, then click on the OK, and now hold press Ctrl Alt R for refiners and select this refiners brush tool, this middle brush tool, and drag on your outside of the hair to refine hair. If any area unexpectedly select, then hold press Ctrl Z to undo this work. Now complete. Then select here right side, smooth 1 pixel and feather radius 0.2 pixel. Then select output to new layer and click on the OK of this background layer and have a look. Now this time take a new blank layer and drag this blank layer to below this subject layer. Drag and set below this subject layer and select this background color is white, and hold press Ctrl and backspace to paste this background color white. And now select this subject layer and Control or Command T to resize or transform. And now rotate this image to right side drag and rotate to state this image. Okay, now it's perfect. Now press enter or click on here, and now this time crop this image by passport size photo. So go to this crop tool and input and select here white and height resolution and clear, and input here uh, by your choice. If you define its millimeter, so 35 mm by 45 mm, and here this is the resolution 300 pixel. Here select 2 pixel per inch and drag from corner side to resize which area do you want this image. If you want to by centimeter, so 3.5 centimeter by 4.5 centimeter, and resolution 300 also same. And if you define it by inch, so 1.5 inch by 1.9 inch. I said here I choose by inch, so 1.5 inch by 1.9 inch and resolution 300 pixel, and resize the image. Now after set, press enter or click on here corner side. This time we need to do input the shoot and code. So minimize this Photoshop software and input this code, drag this code on the Photoshop and resize this code. Okay, now it's perfect. Then click on then press enter, and you can see here the unexpected area is show here. So select the subject layer and select the erase tool and erase the unexpected area. You can use this code or you can use the second code, just as your choice. Which code do you want? Just as your choice. Now it's almost perfect to complete the passport size photo. And now we need to do here outside is unexpected area of the black area. So select the background erase tool and just click on the area to remove, and select the smudge tool and right click and select the Shazam second hairbrush tool, this brush tool. And if you want to make hair anywhere, so just extend set 90 pixel 90%, and now we need to do matching the skin color. So select the background subject layer, select the subject layer and go to image, then adjustment, then selective color, and here select the yellow and reduce the yellow. Here reduce the yellow level. Now click on the OK. Yes, it's perfect. Now click on the OK. Hold press Control or Command L for the level. Increase the light. Okay, now it's perfect. And select the curve. Now the image is fully perfect to convert the passport size photo. Now this time take a new layer for whiten the eye. Select the brush tool and opacity decreases and whiten your eyes. Okay, just a little bit. Erase the unexpected area of the white color. Okay, and here select this white layer, white, and decreases the opacity. Now it's perfect. Now this time select the top of the layer and create a new layer again, and hold press Control Alt Shift E to apply the image, or you can go to image, then apply image as your choice, and this time set stroke of the outside of the image. So go to edit, then stroke by 2 pixel, then color black, then click on the OK, and you can see the outside stroke set outside stroke is black. Finally this image for print, so go to file menu, then click on the new, then select your desired page for print, and now this image Control A for all select, and select the move tool and move the image on this A4 size or letter page. Now it's ready to print, and set this image. Just select this layer and hold press Control and Alt and drag this image to duplicate. Okay, and now select this two layer and again hold press Alt and Control and drag these two images again. Now this time select this four passport size photo by clicking Control key, hold press Control key and click for select this all four images, then Control or Command Z for group this four images, and now press Control J to duplicate layer. Select this duplicate one, select this duplicate layer and drag this image, and again Control J, press Control J to duplicate and drag this image below. Completely and perfect passport size photo. You can use my method to complete passport size photo. I show you slowly because you need to learn from me. I hope you like this video how to make the best passport size photo making. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like and please share this video with your friends, and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thank you very much for always supported me. You can visit my website www.sajankrishnan.com, and also my another website www.photoshopfree.net. You can contact me on Fiverr for your any photo editing done by me. You can make your make your passport size photo by me. For contact me anytime. I always online for ready to work. Inbox me on Fiverr, fiverr.com/shazim99. Inbox me on Fiverr for your any Photoshop editing work. I will complete your any Photoshop editing work by your choice and by your requirement. So you can anytime inbox me on Fiverr. I hope you like this tutorial how to make complete passport size photo, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thank you very much for staying with me until full tutorial. Please share this video with your friends for more updates. Thank you.